post install. You can see right down there the headers are on, then of course the Y pipe, the Corsa catback, and then the Circle D. That's a 1C, isn't it?
1C.
1C converter. And of course, looks like it belongs there, the Odin. And that's not the little weenie throttle body, that's the big boy. Yeah. And it's pretty rowdy.
Yeah, it is.
Now look, we're on the biggest pulley and pump gas, and this thing is amazing. Wingard knocked the tune out, and quite possibly the coolest truck on the planet. Like, I guess we got to give you guys a full view there. And that intake, like I said, is huge. Amazing. But yeah, so we're about to jump in it, do a little driving impressions, and it's gonna be amazing. All right, so let's go see. Little Odin Supercharged Coyote cold start. Yeah. All right, boys, let's go see what this thing's like. Alright guys, so a true testament to the tune, this truck does drive like stock. And I'm sorry for the windows are down. We had to discharge the air conditioning to put the supercharger on. We're about to get that taken care of. But like right now, and it is louder. It's with the headers and the mid pipe. It's 3-inch mid pipe. Part throttle blip. Woo! Let me tell you, guys, this is the ultimate truck. I'm telling you right now, this is it. Alright, I'm leaving traction on. We'll do about a 40 roll. God. Oh, shit. Woo-hoo! Man, what a freaking difference. Guys, I'm telling you, this is a freaking riot. I'm about to give you a little speedo cam action. This thing is nasty. All right, and again, because of tire spin, we're just gonna do a roll. I'm gonna do about a 40 roll. And go. I've been in some seriously fast vehicles. This thing is a blast. Man, the power just does not stop. Woo! Wheel spin and wheel hop are an issue right now. We're gonna obviously have to get that taken care of, but I'm gonna do a little lower of a roll here, make sure we're clear, and Hit it. I'm hooked. I've got to have one. This thing feels all of 720, 730. This thing is nuts. Alright, I'll roll the other window down so you can get a little more of the exhaust. The exhaust on this thing is amazing. With the headers, it's just a little louder, but it's not like crazy. Let the road straighten up here. Do it for a little 50 hit. Sorry, traffic boys. And 60 hit. This thing never stops pulling. Holy stuff. So the camera's not really going to pick it up just because of the wind, but you do get a little bit of whistle from the Supercharger, not much, and it doesn't whine like we thought it would because it does have an open element filter, but it's amazing. And if you guys are new to the channel and you don't know, this truck is 100% built up from a frame, has all Lariat / platinum interior. As you can see, heated cooled seats, Sync 3, console shift. This is a one-of-a-kind truck right here. Shelby sells some base model junk with a blower and seat covers for 100 G's, so yeah, that's kind of how I feel about those. All right, pretty bad ass. And the cool thing is the way the wiring is, the heat exchanger will keep the fans on to get to a certain ambient temperature. But yeah, that's the big the triple pass dual fan heat exchanger. What a beast. All right guys, so there you have it. That is the update on the Odin Supercharged F-150. Alex built a kick-ass truck. Got all the blower, the headers, the converter, everything on and tuned. I need one bad. He's gonna take it home and do some more paint correction work on it and do the just do a lot of detailing. We've got more stuff coming for it, so it's not like it's going anywhere. But yeah, super fun truck. I gotta have a Supercharger now. That's all there is to it. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed this video and you like badass Odin Supercharged F-150, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Get you on the next one.